weeks of pressure, the state has finally provided a number that tells us exactly how many people are currently hospitalized with the coronavirus. 8 on your side investigator Mahsa Saeidi is live in our Tampa newsroom with that story tonight. Now, Mahsa, we've been talking about hospitalization since April. What's different about this new number that you got today?
So, Keith, it can be very confusing, but before, basically, they were telling us the number of people hospitalized since the beginning of this pandemic. Well, now we have real-time data, we have the current numbers, and public health experts say that is what's important. 4 months into this pandemic, and Florida reveals the number of current coronavirus hospitalizations. As of Monday evening, more than 8,000 COVID-19 patients are hospitalized across the state. That includes 1,065 people in the Bay Area. Topping our local chart, Hillsborough, followed by Pinellas and Polk County, where Hershey Pyle has been an ICU nurse for 30 years.
We are actively caring for these people, doing everything we can to help them improve and get better.
Florida had been reporting hospital bed capacity, but they weren't telling us if COVID-19 patients were in the beds. Public health experts said that coronavirus patient data was critical to understanding the severity of the pandemic. Is it more difficult to take care of a coronavirus patient?
It is more difficult. They are extremely sick. They require multiple medications that we're giving them throughout the day, 24 hours around the clock.
It doesn't just require more time. Pyle says taking care of a coronavirus patient requires stricter protocols and more staff members.
When they're very sick, to help recuperate some of the lung space, we will actually lay them on their belly. Frequently, we will have a one-on-one. One nurse is assigned to that one patient.
And so that is the goal, to have one nurse assigned to one patient, but we know that doesn't happen with staffing shortages that we've seen. But I hope, Keith, I was able to explain why experts believe revealing this data is a step in the right direction.
Yeah, this number certainly helps. So now we know there's 1,000 COVID patients, actually more than that, hospitalized in the Bay Area, but we don't really know how sick they are and if they're in the intensive care based upon what that nurse was saying.
Yeah, that's exactly right. There's always a catch, and right now we don't know if these 1,065 patients are in general hospital beds or in ICU beds. But Keith, in the past, we've seen the state reveal more information as time goes on, and we keep asking.
All right, thank you. Mahsa Saeidi live in the Tampa newsroom tonight. If you have something you want Mahsa to investigate, call that 8 on your side help.